I've done it. I have actually done it. I've started streaming. Oh, right. I forgot to add my face to the mix. There's my face to the mix. Wait. Spin it. No, not that way. This way. And this way. There we go. Progress. Progress. We've actually done it. We've actually shown our face on camera. I was gonna do something. Oh, yes. I need to let Discord know. Because I don't have a Discord channel yet for this, but I do have another Twitch stream. So I'm just gonna like casually tell everyone I'm live there so that maybe they notice me and come online because that's useful. I need to get this channel to affiliate. So in order to do that, I basically need to have some active viewers. There we go. Lazy Crypto Trevor is not live streaming. What? That's me. Okay. Well, there's the Twitch chat, so that's something. Damn it. What was I gonna say about that? I don't even know, guys. I don't even know. I should make my stream elements not post that because I want to build that into my own bot, I think. Except I need my own bot to be running. So I gotta think this through. Okay, let's start off by running our bot. What did we have on our bot so far? We have exchange, price, and shoutout. So the exchange and price work. The exchange one's kind of going to go away later. Just temporarily. Until I make Twitch panels. I should probably theoretically just do that like right now on the stream. Because like freaking why not? Let's run yarn start on the bot just to make sure it's up and running. Test if everything is still working. We'll say price. There we go. The bot's online, so that's working. That's good. Progress. BTCs are. Let's see if it calculates the. Oh shit! I need to log in as myself. Oops. My bad. There we go. We've logged in. Price BTCs are. Yes, and it's working. We can see that 1 Bitcoin's worth so much rand, which is quite a lot. Although it's still cheap. You should buy Bitcoin now while it's cheap. Last time we were here, I was working on the shoutout command. And basically, we're able to, I think if we shout out, let's just shout out my other channel. And we can shout out myself as well, because I built this to Crypto Trader. I built this to work for mods and for me, like as a channel owner, the channel owner. Wait, I gotta stand here. Oh, no, I broke my face. Yeah, I built that for like stuff regarding that. But I can't remember what I was going to say about that now. So the shoutout command works, which is good. It calls me such a freaking legend, and then it fetches some details here. It fetches the broadcaster, and I'm able to get the game ID, which is good because we use a Twitch API that we built here. And it doesn't actually search for using the channel name. We should change that to use this channel name here. So what we do is we will just take the first person that comes up. Like if we did a shout out for multiple people, then we'll just take the first person to see what game they were playing. So in order to find out what game they were playing, we have to fetch the channel details and then we have to fetch the games list. But I don't quite remember how to get the games list. Let's just make sure that this is all hooked up. So the shoutout command here. See, this should not be putting in Tipsy Pineapple. This should be putting in what should it be putting in? It should be putting in oh, the params or the channels. The channels at 0. At 1, like the first channel of the list, basically. That's what should be happening. And now I need to move my camera more this way. No wonder I'm like confused myself. There we go. Now I can do finger things. Oh, please don't quote that. Oh, we should build a quote command. That would be cool. So Next up, oh, by the way, I can totally like take my webcam and make myself automatically look way more tanned than I actually am. Look at that, guys. Damn, I look good. There we go. That's a thing. So we got that going for us now. And next up, so let's just test this again. I need to restart the bot, because if I don't restart the bot, then these trades don't matter. And let's see if I can shout out myself. Or, I mean, they're both me, but yeah, shout out myself. They're such freaking legends. Okay, and then we do the fetch. Okay, it fetches the access token, which is great. I don't think we need to print the access token anymore. We know that that works. So we don't have to console log that result anymore. That's good that that works. I'm glad. And then we have that. So does this return anything, or we just await that JSON? Okay, I wanted to actually check what I had online. I think I had that Investec open API here. I wanted to see how I'm actually supposed to return these values. Do I just hit return? Yeah, it looks like I just returned the awaited result. So that's all good. Sorted. Fantastic. Okay, great. So we return that, which means over on the shoutout command, we should theoretically const get, and it's going to be an async command. So channel data. Well, I guess we'll just call it channel data, yeah. And that's going to equal the await. So we wait for that to happen. That's why this is asynchronous. Once we get that, then we need to go and fetch. We should actually just make a command called get channel games, I think. Theoretically. Like, we could do it here in the shoutout command. Okay, let's do it. We'll do it here in the shoutout command, because that way we're fetching what we need as we need it for the specific command, instead of just making our Twitch API wrapper bigger than it needs to be. So const game is going to equal await Twitch API dot get game from ID, and then we say game ID, and theoretically the game ID is going to be channel data at 0 dot game ID. Yes. Okay, cool. So this doesn't exist yet, but we first need to check that our channel data, if channel data dot wait, there's got to be a channel. Yep. And we gotta see if the length is bigger than 0. Because if the length's not bigger than 0, then we didn't find the channel and you've screwed up. So we just say check them out. They're such a freaking legend. In fact, if we don't find the first channel, then it would have meant that the guy messed up. Like the creator messed up. If you click on the name. Oh, flip. That's the other thing. I want to make a direct link to their channel, right? And I think if I did that at lazy thing, that doesn't work. How do we usually do shoutouts? I'm just going to go to my other channel quickly and see what it looks like when I do a shoutout. Let's shout out myself. Tipsy, because I have this like working somewhere else. Messing up here. I've got it working, like it's definitely working somewhere. So I just want to see if does it get the URL? What happens? Oh, flip. Why is it taking so long to connect to chat? Guys, this is taking long. I don't know why it's taking long. Okay, testing. Okay, yeah, so we say check out lazy crypto trader, and then we'll say at. Oh, flip. I gotta think this through. Okay, let's ditch this for now. We just comment that out just so that it's working. So for this channel string, oh, I need to think this through. I guess we could just say like the channel string, and then we'll have over here, we'll say channels. And again, we'll check again if the channel is between something and something else. So now we're saying if, okay, wait, we don't need those backticks there. What's going on? Don't need it. Okay, cool. So what we're basically gonna do now, okay, let me just fix something. I need to go back to me. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna say if the channel at 0 is that, then we want to send the substring of the channel. No, wait, we want to say channel.substring. Channel.substring from 1 onwards. Otherwise, we'll just do the channel. If I could spell channel correctly. Okay, that at least now, like, the person's in brackets. So if we said like Shoutout Lazy Trader and Tipsy Pineapple, not that one, the one with the underscore, my bad. And then Hardy.King is one of my fellow streamer friends. If I could spell his name right, Hardy.King. Then like you'd shout out 3 people, and you'd shout out like the text, or you'd shout out their channels as well. So theoretically this should work. Let's just yarn start that. I should actually wait while we're doing it. Let's console.log the okay, we're not console logging the response there. So let's console.log channel data just to see channel data. Make sure it's working. And then we will restart the bot just to make sure that we're all on the same track and it's all good and well and swell and working and stuff. Okay, that's going good. Right. Okay, so we've done the thing. Check out Lazy Crypto Trader. Right. Okay, sorry. For this now, I need to say Twitch in the brackets. So we'll say https://twitch.tv/ Okay, and that's data from the object. So theoretically, we can just get data from there and print data, because that's simpler. And that would mean this if statement would work. Data doesn't exist on property unknown. Oh, I mean, theoretically, let's build an interface for this. Should we make the interface just like right there? I mean, it's gonna have to be included in this thing anyway. Or let's put it up here. I feel like we need an interfaces, like a Twitch API interfaces file. But let's just say get channel details, response data. Let's call it that. I know it's pretty bulky, but we'll say broadcaster language is a string, because we can see like literally down here. Broadcaster login, because this is going to make our thing way easier to use. It's a string. Display name is a string. Oh wait, we'll just call this response, and then we'll say data is going to be one of these things. I can just say array here, right? I think I can just say an array like this and like this. Not like that, actually. Like this. And we move it up there and we're good to go. Okay, cool. Display name is there. And now we have game ID. Perfect. Game ID is also a string. That's what we need. Then we need the actual ID. Wow, there's a lot of 6s in this ID. String. And then we have is live. That's a Boolean. Tag IDs. Oh, that's the tags that I'm streaming under. Tag IDs is also going to be it's going to be a string array. It'll be an array of strings because IDs are string. And then a thumbnail URL. So many things we could use. We'll make it a string as well. Cool. And that's the thing there. I don't know what to put in for pagination. So we're not going to expect pagination here anyway. So it's fine. So we'll just say pagination. We'll make this as a response. What is this called now? Get channel details response. There we go. So the result of that will be get channel details response. Yes. And now this should work. Why is it not working? Oh, no, it shouldn't be here. Shouldn't be here. It might still need to be there, but we'll put it up here. Function lacks ending return statement. Return type doesn't include undefined. Okay, so what do I just return? No data at the end. Data is an empty string. Okay, cool. So if those don't exist, then we return like an empty string data. That way we always have data, which is actually good. That's really good. So we have the fallback data returning there. Fantastic. Okay, cool. So that means that will work. And now we can restart the bot and check out if my shoutout command is returning the correct channels to go and fetch. So I'll say check out this person, and this person. They're such freaking legends. Why I say frickins? They're such freaking. There we go. I fixed that. My bad. Typo. Shout out this guy and this guy and this guy. Yes. I guess we don't really have to do the @ thing anymore. I think we just yeah, I don't think we need to do the ats because they're a bit cumbersome now with all of those. So maybe we ditch this whole first thing. Let's ditch everything leading up to the brackets. Let's do this. And then this. Oh, this is not working, is it? Oh, that's correct, right? Okay, let's try run this again. Running the bot again to see if this actually does what we need it to do. Oh, sugar is what I was gonna say. Something's wrong with this. Yeah, that's not good. This over here. Okay. What have I done wrong? Okay. That's where I messed up. I accidentally deleted those things. Okay, well, let's just go into a forward state to there and then put the imports back in. Ooh, not like that. There we go. We've done it. We've actually done it. So there we go. We said checkout, it's the checkout text, and then we call them a legend. So now if we do this, if I start the bot, and hopefully it works this time, then we'll just tell them to check out the Twitch links directly, you know. So trading bots online. So we say check out these people. They're such freaking legends. See, that's a bit simpler. And we have the links, so you can see I stream games sometimes. I'm live right now. And there's Jason. That's pretty cool. So that works. So we can check out these people. They're such freaking legends. And then I can say they were last playing a specific game together. So the game text. We should do the fetch inside the game text. That's probably a good idea. Because we don't need to do it here. Instead we'll just say they were last playing something. Right? So we'll say function get game text. And this will just be one channel. Because like we'll have the first channel in there to say which channel we fetch. Because we can't fetch the game. Well, we can, but when we make a shout out, we're going to assume that they're all playing the same game together, you know? Like that's what only reason we'll play. I almost feel like we don't need to. I think when we do this, when we do this, like let's make it so that if we tell us to search for multiple people, that multiple people is like, okay, we only do that because there's like enough text there. If we only tell them to search for one person, how does this work? Okay, let's see what I did on my channel. Sorry, I just need to open Twitch in a new tab. Let's go to Tipsy Pineapple. See what happens when I can't shout out from this account though. Sorry, I want to see how the game things usually work. So I'm gonna go shout out myself on a different channel just to see what's going on. Okay, it's gonna happen. Just 1 second. Okay, I'm just shouting out Lazy Crypto Trader. Oh, it says they were last playing whatever game. Yeah. Okay, cool. They were last playing a game. And that's just the name of the game. There's no link to the game. So yeah, okay, because we're not going to link it, then let's just do it for all of them. So we'll tell the bot to automatically just find the game of the first person, because we won't really often shout out 2 people at once. So yeah, that's the thing. And if we were, we'd be streaming and we'd say, hey, this is actually what they were doing. In fact, because we don't always say playing, we'll say they were last streaming this, you know, because that's actually what they were doing, you know. What was I gonna say? Okay, cool. So the text here now, we're gonna return that they were last streaming and then the game. So it's gonna be backticks there. And first of all, we will do the whole search for data. Okay. If we didn't find any data, if data.length is 0, we immediately return nothing. Return an empty string. See, perfect. So that's the plan. And then we try and fetch the game. So, and now instead of channels at 0, we're just going to say the channel. I mean, here we still need to do channel data. It's not going to be channel data anymore. It's just going to be data at 0. And then the game. The game will be... We're assuming it's a string now, but I don't think it's going to be a string. So let's just await that for now. For now, we'll just say data dot game ID. Let's just make sure that we're passing the correct thing, data at 0. Async function get game text. Oh, flip. We need to wait for them to get the game text. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will await. Okay, we don't need to wait here, but we'll say here const game text. It's gonna equal await get game text. because this is an asynchronous function, we need to wait for it to get the thing, and then we will only do the client.say. So that makes sense, I think. I think that's pretty brilliant. Right, next up. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm going to quickly hop onto Twitter and just quickly post that I'm streaming. Streaming an hour of code. Building a Twitch chatbot. Building Twitch chatbot commands. Come hang out. Smiley face. And then https://twitch.tv/lazy crypto trader. What hashtag should we do? Twitch trading bot, right? Twitch streamer, and then we'll say Twitch chat bot. Not at. I can't hashtag, guys. Twitch chat bot. Okay. Hashtag JavaScript. Hashtag TypeScript. Let's go. Okay, that's probably good for now. Oh, and hashtag Node maybe. There we go. I'm like amazing, right? There we go. Absolutely crushing it. Okay, that might drag some people here, so I'm not all alone. Okay, cool. So get game text. We're gonna use channels at 0. Okay. So, and then we'll just chuck in here game text at the end. That should be good, I think. Yeah. I guess theoretically we put a space in here to say that we're last doing this. That way it's just like, you know, okay, cool, we've done like something. You know. Like check out this person, space this, and then space game text. So now we need to make it so that we actually fetch the game text. Let's just check if it fetches the ID of lazy crypto trader. It doesn't even I forgot to restart the bot. What a fool. I'd always get this wrong, you know. How do I always get this wrong? Oh no, wait, what? Why did the bot stop running? It shouldn't stop running. That's better. Okay, let's try now. So, theoretically, they were last streaming a number. Yes, that's exactly what I was doing. I was streaming a number last. Okay, the game I was actually streaming was called Squad. Which was quite fun, actually. I enjoyed that. Okay, so now I need to find out from the Twitch API. Someone already liked my tweet. It's nice of them. Friday. Oh, okay, that's cool. Anyways, I got distracted by that. So now we're going to go to Twitch API. Let's Google that stuff. And see if we can get the games. Okay. Games reference. I want the top games. Search games? Search games, I think. The query, and the query should be the ID, right? Okay, cool. Oh, this is confusing. Can I not just search a game by its ID? The game is returned with query parameters matched entirely or partially in the game name. Okay, but what about the... I don't really want the game name. Let's just check. Like, maybe this works. Maybe we're able to fetch a game by its name. Is there anything else in here about games? Search reference. Okay. That might be the only one. Unless I can Google how to find Twitch game by ID, Twitch API. If only I could spell correctly. Okay, there's one there. And then there's one there. Okay. Let's check this one. This is an actual direct question asking exactly what I need to know. New to the API. I'm pretty bad at coding. No, I'm joking. People use game ID, but how do I know which ID belongs to which game? I couldn't find any reference. Me neither. This is why I'm here. You know? Okay. You need the games API. Here's the reference. So look up Fortnite to get, then pass that to the streams API. What? No, that doesn't help me. Next point. So from what you said, I can't query streams for a specific game bytes. Have to get the game's ID first. No, that's not what I want. Ugh. Stream endpoint exactly. Oh. Wait a second. Games reference? No. Can I like straight up get the games by ID? By like that little ID that I got? Where's that ID? I just type in here games/ID. No client ID specified. I mean, that's fine. That's because I haven't done. Let's try that. Let's try the games API like that. Okay, we're gonna give that a shot. So, in the Twitch API wrapper that I built, we're gonna say, what are we gonna say? Hang on, I just need to check this. Flip. Nope, I'm not gonna read that right now. Async get game by ID. That is what I called it, right? Yeah. Get game from ID. Yeah. And this is gonna be a game ID. It's gonna be a string, which will be a promise that returns. I don't know what it's gonna return really. We'll do the whole access token thing. Just return like an empty data array. Okay, for now we just return. Try. I'm so frustrated with just stuff. Yeah, no. What am I doing now? Okay, fail to. So we're most likely gonna fail here, but we're just trialing an error because trialing an error sometimes works, right? It like gets things. Get game from ID. Fantastic. Okay, cool. We're doing that. We're getting the game by the ID, which might just happen. Let's just copy paste this and then try and change it accordingly. So the query is going to be the actual game ID. And we're using api.twitch.tv.kraken. And then we say games/ID. Will this work? I hope it works. Oh, what the flip? Why is it not working? Is it because it can't be maybe undefined? Get game from ID. Did you not mean get game from... Oh, yeah. I named this wrong. Oops. See, this is why TypeScript's amazing. Now we can console.log game. Because that's kind of what we need now. We don't need the data much anymore. Okay, now let's run the bot. Let's go back to Twitch chat. I'm still lonely here. Okay, cool. Let's try this again. So bot is online. It's fetching. Error gone. V3 is alive, but V5 is still alive. Check out dev.twitch. Okay, what does it want me to do here? I shall be looking. Good luck with your problem, school. Thanks for the lurk, man. I really appreciate it. It's very helpful. Okay. Twitch API reference. I don't understand how to get the channels, get channel information, modify channel information, channel points, we don't really need channel points, event sub, games, get top games, get games, get game information by game ID or name. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. This is just what I needed. So we want to say Helix games. And then we want to say like the query is just going to be ID equals, right? That's theoretically what we need to do, I'd assume. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Okay. I need to restart my bot for this. Ghoul, you absolute legend. It's so good to have you. Even though you're just lurking. It's really helpful. Thank you. Thank you for your skills. What was I going to do? Okay, yeah, wait. I need to do the shout out now. So, oh wait. They were last streaming science and technology. Okay, so theoretically, it is going to be data again. So we're going to have a get game from ID response. Let's get the channel affiliated. Yes, thank you, Ghoul. What do I want to do? Get game from ID response. Is that what we'll call it? Yeah, that seems like the thing we're going to do now. We're just going to call it by that. And then it's going to be data, and it's going to be an array as well. And inside here, it looks like data has an ID, which is a string. Name is also a string. And box art URL, which is a string as well. Oops. So now this response is no longer unknown. We stick it in there, which is fantastic. Oh, right. I need to return data as an empty array as a fallback here. And again at the bottom. So now that's no longer a problem, which is great. Okay. So that means back over here, we'll have game, but we'll have okay, so we're going to call this channel data. Because that's a thing. We'll use channel data there, and then we'll call it game data over here. What's wrong with this? Oh, okay, it's just my prettier setup. Oh, this shouldn't be game, this should be data. Okay, game data, and we're gonna say name. This should work. Okay, and also if there's if game data dot length is equal to 0, we will return an empty string because we need to have that fallback in place, which is super useful. Okay, right, next up. Well, I should probably test it, shouldn't I? Yeah, let's test that. Okay. No response. It's not helpful. I mean, wait, that's always supposed to happen. Never mind. I don't know why I'm sounding so depressed. Okay, cool. So we're shouting out there. And we have... They were last streaming this. They were last streaming science and technology. I guess I could add a little should I add a little heart at the end? Oh, Merowyn, how's it going? Thank you. I guess I could just throw in a little pineapple. I could throw in a what a legend. What is my tipsy pineapple legend thing here? I forgot what it's called. It's the name of my emote. Tipsy P for legend. Because this is my bot. Tipsy P for legend. Will this work? Merowyn, how's it going? It's good to see you. Thank you for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. Let's shout you out. Merowyn and Ghoul Software. Not that it matters. You guys are the only ones here. And then Hardy.King. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry about being on the phone. Such freaking legends. They were last streaming Minecraft. You were streaming Minecraft? Damn. Okay, I messed up the command here. Okay. I'm mostly testing the shoutout command, so I'm just using your name. Okay, I shouldn't use a capital P. That's my problem. Let's try this out again. You never streamed Minecraft? This is bullshit. I'm gonna go to your name right now. About? Where can I see what you last streamed? Checked out this, the eldest. What the flip? Okay, well, it's broken. It's definitely broken. Why? Okay, wait. I need to console.log the game data then. This is so stupid. Okay, but thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know everything's bugged. I did spell your name right? Why is it? Oh wait, sorry, I forgot to restart the bot. I need to restart the bot. Okay, we're restarting the bot. Why is it taking? Okay, trading bot is now online. Okay, let's see. Will it work this time? Check out them. There is. Why? Why does it not work? What is my? Well, I mean. Oh, I'm not supposed to put in the. Sorry, I'm used to working on Microsoft Teams. They're such freaking legends. They were last streaming. Were you last streaming Genshin Impact? No, you weren't. What the heck? Okay, let's figure this out. Okay, we're gonna console.log the channel data as well. Because this is messed up. Okay, we're figuring it out. Okay, I think maybe when I search Merowyn, other people come up as a name. Oh, maybe that's right. So maybe I have to do like a name check and find the right one. Okay, that helps because there's only one Tipsy Pineapple with my name, so that's why that works, you know. But Merowyn probably shows up. Okay, so see, 2 game data showed up there: Genshin Impact and Minecraft. Although I don't think you played either of those, so I'm a bit confused. Start a new bot, get the channel data, because that's a thing. So I think that's what happened, is we're finding the wrong person. So hopefully, at least my What a Legend's working there. Should I put in a tipsy like CEO there? Tipsy P4 Classic. Let's put that at the start. Oops. We'll put this over there, and then we'll stick this at the start. Tipsy P4 Classic. Okay. Right, what's happening here? Let's check out these logs. Yeah, you see the problem is we're returning a lot of people. So they were the person who was playing Minecraft. Hmm. Hmm. So their login's always going to be lowercase, right? Like it looks like everyone's login's always lowercase. So what we're going to do is we will, when we get the game text and we find the channel, yeah, we should really move this, this get channel, this fetch into the API. So we'll do it soon, but basically what we're going to need to do is we will, because like I'm sure we're going to need to get game text from, oh no, but that's, yeah, game from ID. Ah, never mind. So what we're going to do is we need to, our channel data here, we say const matching channel. We'll get a game ID in here. This is going to equal, you have an idea? No, I have an idea. Shut up. I'm right. I'm correct. We're just going to say channel data. Each no, I know that. I already have each channel. So what I do is I use the I'm such a bad streamer telling you to shut up and I have an idea. No, okay. So what actually happens? I'm gonna get, so what I basically do is I get channel details using the channel name. Okay. And that returns a list of names matching. But one of those names in the list will match the name. Yeah. So that actually, it's what I'm doing right now. It's what I'm doing right now, Gul. So here we have channel data, which is a bunch of records. So we're going to use .find, and in here we will get the broadcaster login. Okay. And now we're going to say find me the with the broadcaster login matches the channel, and the channel has to go to lowercase because that's important. Yeah, and then just get me its game ID. So say .game ID. Okay, and then we'll say if there's no game ID, because like if they didn't find the channel, yeah, then we're going to return an empty string again. Fantastic, this will work. Except it must be this. I don't need a console log, it's gonna work. Watch this. See, it's a good thing. You can't just get channel details from the name currently on chat. Yeah, sorry, I'm just rereading this back. So yeah, the way this works is I fetch channel details using a name. This get channel details is like a search string. So it searches on the name. But obviously because I search Merowyn, if you go onto like Twitch and you search for Merowyn, you can see that, well, if we go to the search results, she shows up, but a whole bunch of other people also show up. I mean, this is Twitch's search, but basically, yeah, if we search Merowyn, then you'll find other results basically. So, oh shit. Oh wait, I have muted my desktop audio, so that's good. Yeah, my bad. I shouldn't mute my desktop audio though, because that means if someone follows, we won't hear them. I don't know. I need to. I'm getting headphones next week, so then I'll wear them again. But right now, like my headphones are like legitimately like broken. Like the earmuff is off, so I have this like other earmuff that I keep sticking onto there, and that's not very helpful, is it? Okay. I can't search for ID. Oh no. So the problem, Ghoul, is it's the shoutout command. So I'm using this Merowin over here. Oh, sorry, I forgot to restart my bot. I'm using this Merowin as my search string for the channel name. I don't have Merowin's ID. The chatbot just receives this string as input. So theoretically, it should get what Merowin was last playing now. So what happens? There we go. We got it right this time. But get that Merowin and compare it to the user in chat. Get the ID and search by the ID. Yeah, but I don't have that context. I don't have the chat context. Because I want to be able to like shout out someone who isn't in my chat. Like let's say PewDiePie is not in my chat, so I want to shout out like PewDiePie. It's not gonna. It wouldn't have worked, but now it will work because apparently PewDiePie was last playing Batman. I don't even know. Like, yeah. So the point is, I can shout out Shanks now, and I can do Slow and Ranger together, and it will just. What it's gonna happen is I will say check out Shanks and Sloan, and it will say they were last playing whatever Shanks was playing, because it doesn't really matter what Sloan. Sloan's live at the moment, which is pretty cool. Yeah, damn. Okay, well, it works now. So that's pretty cool. It's like classic. Check out this person. They're such a freaking legend. Blah, 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 blah. I feel like I should have like 3 classics. Or just have what a legend. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go to the shoutout command. I'm going to say, what a legend. Let's call them a legend like 3 times. Cool software. There we go. Shouting them out. Yeah. Oh, I keep forgetting to restart the bot. I have this thing set up where it automatically restarts, but the problem is it doesn't always shut down after I automatically restart. So let's see. We'll say, what a legend. Check out Ghoul Software. They're such a freaking legend. They were last streaming science and technology. Just like me right now. Freaking crushing it, right? Okay, let's close all this stuff. And I don't even know what I was going to do. Flip. What was I going to do, guys? Oh, okay. So next up, we need to... oh, I need to commit this. Git add, commit. What am I committing? Implemented shoutout command. There we go. Push that up to my secret fancy Git repo. And now I think I wanted to make a little time command. Like, it will be pretty simple. This function time command is what we call it. Doesn't do anything specific. Export default time command. Sorry, I just need to look at the shoutout, how that one worked. I just client.say, and where do I get client from? Okay, client. Yeah. So we'll copy paste this. Client.say. Client we get from client. Channel we also get from client. And then in here, we just say the time for Daisy crypto trader. Wait, the local time for Daisy crypto trader, which is me, is currently, and then we just say like the time. What's the best way to get the, because I know I could use like moment.js, which I usually do, but like JavaScript get current time. Okay. New date. And then let's do that up there. Const current equals new date. And then we can just say current dot get hours. And current flip. Current dot get minutes. Oh wait, you asked a question, sorry. I have a question. Can the bot listen to special events like bits and such? I know the channel is not affiliated, but in theory, yes, it can. If we go to Twitch API, you can see, where's the API reference? Flip. Reference over here. You can make it start ads, you can make it get analytics, you can listen to bits, like get the cheers leaderboard, get cheers emotes, get extension transactions, channel, get information. Yeah, you can get all that. You can find out when a channel gets followed. I think. I assume you can. I really like it. It has to be possible. It's probably the event subscription. Creates an event subscription. So it creates an event subscription. You need an app access token. Type version condition. Yeah, basically it can. I'm very sure it can, because people always like you need to. It needs to work like that because people have those bits things. So it's got to support that. I mean, sorry, it's like a bit hard to read like this. That's not any better, is it? They were having a different subset to be able to do that. Yeah. I'm not sure yet. I'm pretty sure that you can though. Like it definitely, it would have to do that. Actually, oh wait, yes. Sorry. If I go into where is it now? My index. So if I go into here, I can say client dot on and there's an option for emotes, hosting, on join, on log on. So even when someone joins the chat, you can say, oh hey, welcome person. Message deleted, mods ping raided, on a resub, on a sub gift, on subscribers, subscription, on a cheer. Cheer is when you give bits. So yeah. So you can. It's just not a message handler, it's like a bits handler. So it's actually, yeah, it's actually a lot easier than I thought. It's just gonna be weird to practice with. I'm so starting my, yeah, dude, no, you should. This would be cool. I really love this. I think it's so cool to be able to like build this. Get minutes. Okay, does this work? What's wrong with the channel that's from there? Oh, just say if no channel. Then we return. And this missing return type function. I mean, it's basically It's void. We don't return anything. Okay. So from here we can say case if they ask for the time, return time command. I didn't actually export time properly from here. Export default as time command from /time. Fantastic. And yeah, I'm using NodeJS theoretically. I'm using Node TypeScript. I made a video. This might help you. I have a YouTube channel, by the way. I have a popular YouTube channel, by the way. It's got 3.4 thousand subscribers. So here's a video. I'll post a link to it in chat now. I made a video where let's turn that off. You could hear that, I think. So I made a video where I just showcase my little starter app, and you can actually use that starter app to get started with this. Yeah. If you want more help though, ask me on my Discord and I will send you more useful information on how I quickly got started with this. It was basically I needed this tmi.js and this client thing from tmi.js, so I could make a client, and then it was all easy to go. So I will actually, yeah, if you send me your GitHub on, like, send me your GitHub username on Discord, and I'll make you a private viewer of this repo, and then you can see it. That might help you out a lot. Yeah, then you can start off with a starter project that's got everything set up, and then you can look at this one to see what you want to add for your thing and how I do things. Yeah, it's a pleasure, dude. Yeah, it's quite nice. And then yeah, obviously I just use Visual Studio Code as my IDE, and yeah, the whole starter app I built to work nicely with how I like to code. I'm very particular. I like everything to auto format when I save, and yeah, I'm quite weird. Yeah, VS Code's great. So theoretically, not push. Yarn start. Oh no, why is it pushing? There we go. Yarn starts, and now we're gonna say time. What is the time? Bots online time. The local time is currently, it's almost time for Formula 1. It worked. It works. Yeah. I guess I should probably say the day. Yeah, I should say the day. So current time dot get get day. Is the date or the yeah, wait. Let's just see. I don't even know. So wow, this is great. Lots of fun. I'm really enjoying this. So yeah, I was gonna say now I need to do the get day thing. So many things. So many things. Okay, so time 6. Okay, so that's the day of the week, not the actual date. Stream is done. Refresh. Sorry about that. Yay, I think it's working. Yes, it worked. Sorry about that. Cool. I looked on the side, I was like, it's gone. But it's back up again. I don't know. It's like someone found me doing weird stuff. Okay, so get time was wrong. I need to get the date and then the month. Get month. And then we will do a get month text. I mean, wait, I need to follow my normal format. Get month text, it's gonna be a function. I'm back! I am back, Merwin. Thank you. And then month will be a number. And we will return a string. Okay, and now we literally just have a whole bunch of if statements, I think. I should just stick in the whole current time, basically. Nah, stick it in like this. I'm just thinking, what do I want to do? Okay, yeah, let's just do like a whole switch statement. Switch month, then we'll do a bunch of cases. Case 1, return. I think it starts at 0 though, so let's keep it simple. Jan, case 1, return February. I messed up that styling. It's fine, guys, so we'll fix when I save just now. Return March. Case 3. I can even just do this. Return April. Case 4. Return May. I know my months, guys. I'm a freaking wizard, right? June. Case 6. Return July. Wait. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm getting my months confused. It's like it is August is the 8th month because our numbers start at 0. That's why it's messed up. September. Oh, not just like that. Case 9. We will return October. Case 10. Return November. And case 11 is December. I think that will work. And then default, like, we'll just return an empty string if we somehow mess that up. Save. Everything's fixed and it works. Okay, fantastic. Cool. I need to restart the bot. We did it. I love how I said sorry about that. Okay, the time. The time is 27th of March. Yep, that's right. The local time for lazy crypto trader is currently 16:59, 27th of March. Guys, I am planning to watch some Formula 1 now. So I actually want to go. Added time command. But thank you so much for supporting this and making this useful. I think we'll raid Sloan. You have to go make crips. Yeah, that's awesome. Sloan Ranger. We're gonna raid Sloan Ranger. Because classic Sloan, right? Am I right? What a freaking legend. Yeah, guys, thank you for supporting me. This was really fun. I really enjoy doing this. It's so much like, it's so cool. Like just the random little stuff you can do. I need to think about what commands to make next. I do want to set up my trading bot thing as well. So I need to do that. But yeah, some other things I can do. Like, I don't know what the weather's like where I live and stuff. Do little random things like that, you know? I might clean that up and just like put the APIs into their own little like sections. But this is so much fun. I'm really enjoying it. Like I'm gonna post the VODs on YouTube, on my normal YouTube channel. So that YouTube channel that I linked, I'll post it there. Yeah, I think I'll try and do more coding stuff and try and get the YouTube audience over to here because that would be quite fun. Anyways, I gotta go. I'll chat to you guys soon. And yeah, keep well. Cheers.